Hello students, now we are starting the session 2 of partnership. Today we are going to discuss about types of partners, status of minor, comparative study of types of partners, type of partnership, difference between limited liability partnership and general partnership. Learning outcomes. After this session, students will be able to identify different types of partners, understand the status of minor, compare different types of partners, explain different types of partnership, differentiate between limited liability partnership and general partnership. Types of partners. Normally there are 6 types of partners: active partner, sleeping partner, secret partner, nominal partner, partner by estoppel, partner by holding out. Active partner, as the name suggests, partner who takes active participation in the management of partnership business, who contribute capital, share profit and losses, participate in management, and have unlimited liability. It means a full-fledged partner is known as active partner. Next is sleeping or dormant partner. Partners who do not take active part in the management of the business. They contribute capital, share profit and losses, but they do not participate in management. But then also they have unlimited liability. Sleeping partner who contributes capital like active partner, share profit and losses like active partner, has unlimited liability like active partner, but does not participate in management of the business. Secret partner. Partners whose association as partner of the firm is kept secret. It is hidden from the outside world. That person who is a secret partner is actually a partner of the firm. They contribute capital, share profit and losses, do not participate in management. They also contribute capital, they also share profit and losses, they also have unlimited liability, but they do not participate in the management of the business. Next is nominal partner. Partners who allow a firm to use their names as partners to have credibility. Suppose if Amitabh Bachchan allows his name to be used as a partner in a firm, the firm takes permission to use Amitabh Bachchan's name for his partnership firm, and Amitabh Bachchan allows for it. Then, in such condition, Shri Amitabh Bachchan will be the nominal partner of such partnership firm. Nominal partner do not contribute capital. They do not share profit and losses. They do not participate even in management. Only they give their name to the partnership firm. But they have unlimited liability. It means it doesn't matter whether they contribute or not, whether they share profit and loss or not, whether they participate in management or not. If there is a partner, he has an unlimited liability. Partner by estoppel. Persons who are not partners but create an impression that they are partners. Means actually they are not partners of the firm. But whenever they go outside, they create an impression that they are partner in a particular business. People may listen them and believe them. They do not contribute capital, they do not even share profit or losses, they do not participate in management. But in case there is loss, they also are responsible for it, and they also have unlimited liability. Partners by holding out. Person who is not partner, but he knows that the firm is using his or her name without any permission from the partner or the person whose name is being used. The person knows that very well, that a particular partnership firm is using his name, but do not make any objection for it. In such condition, they also have unlimited liability towards the creditors, though they do not contribute capital, they do not share profit and losses, they do not even participate in management, and then also they have unlimited liability towards creditors. Status of minor partnership is based on legal contract, and legal contract can be made only with matured person who has attained 18 years of age. A minor can never enter into a legal contract. Partnership is based on legal contract between two or more persons who agree to share profit and losses of a business carried on by them. As such, a minor is incompetent to enter into a valid contract with others. He cannot become a partner in any firm. However, a minor can be admitted to the share of profit of the business with the consent of other partners. He or she can become partner only after attainment of 18 years of age. Now, there is a comparative study of each partner. If we talk about capital contribution, active partner contributes, sleeping partner contributes, secret partner contributes capital. But nominal partner does not contribute, partner by estoppel does not contribute, and partner by holding out also does not contribute. Now, management. Active partner participates in management, sleeping partner does not participate, secret partner participates secretly, nominal partner does not participate, partner by estoppel also does not participate, and partner by holding out also does not participate. Now, there is share in profit or losses. Active partner shares profit and losses, sleeping partner shares profit and losses, secret partner shares profit and losses. Nominal partner does not generally share profit or losses, but he may charge some fee. Partner by estoppel does not share profit and losses. Partner by holding out also does not share profit and losses. But when we talk about liability, whether he is an active partner, sleeping partner, secret partner, nominal partner, partner by estoppel, or partner by holding out, everyone has unlimited liability. Types of partnership. On the basis of duration, there are two types of partnership: partnership at will, particular partnership. On the basis of liability, general partnership and limited partnership. On the basis of duration, partnership at will. This type of partnership exists on the will of the partner. Whenever one or more partner express their desire to dissolve it, they can give a simple notice for dissolution and partnership comes to an end. Particular partnership. A partnership firm formed for a fixed duration of time like 2 or 5 years, or sometimes a partnership firm is formed for a specific project, either for a specific duration or for completion of a specific project. It is called a particular partnership. In both the cases, partnership automatically terminated either on the expiry of the time, as the time which was set at the beginning expires, the firms get dissolved, or if it has been created for a specific project, Once the project is completed, then also partnership automatically dissolves. On the basis of liability, there is two types of partnership: general partnership and limited partnership. General partnership, the liability of partners is unlimited and joint. All partners can participate in the management of the firm and their acts are binding on each other. The registration of partnership firm is not compulsory. The partnership firm comes to an end on the death or retirement, insolvency of the partner. The partnership comes to an end means the agreement between the partners comes to an end if there is death, retirement, insolvency of the partner. Limited liability partnership. The liability of all partners is limited except one of them whose liability is unlimited. The partners whose liability is limited do not have the right to manage and control the firm. It means the partners having limited liability, those do not have any liability of selling their personal property. They do not have any right to manage and control the firm also. Only the partner whose liability is unlimited can participate in management and control the firm. The registration of the partnership firm is compulsory. The partnership does not terminate due to the death or accident or insanity of any partner. It means it has stability. Difference between general and limited partnership. General partnership, all partners have unlimited and joint liability. In limited partnership, the liability of at least one partner is unlimited, whereas others may have limited partner liability. Right of management. In general partnership, all partners have the right to participate in management. In limited partnership, the limited liability partners do not have any right to participate in management. Registration. In general partnership, it is optional, whereas in limited partnership, registration is compulsory. Termination. Partnership terminates automatically due to the death, lunacy of the partner in case of general partnership, whereas in case of limited partnership, partnership does not terminate due to death, lunacy of the partner. Recapitulation. Types of partners: active partner, participate in management, unlimited liability. Sleeping partner does not participate but unlimited liability. Secret partner, partner of the firm secretly. Nominal partner provides name to the firm, unlimited liability has. Partner by estoppel represents himself as partner, unlimited liability. Partner by holding out, he knows or she knows that his or her name is used by other partners but ignores, therefore unlimited liability. Minor can become partner only after the age of 18 years. Before it he can only share profit of the business. Types of partnership: partnership at will, particular partnership, general partnership, limited liability.